Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hapring jingmi ke kunrum keram ke yang ki kali hapring Jylla Meghalaya bar Assam nagaliang Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ke East Coast Hills District ula pente bak sarkar na ki ar Jylla kilai trilang ban Pynbeit Ïakren ke kam habakran Jylla batai Kyrwoh ke ar putrik naila ra japun riau lo bak sarkar Jylla ke Bynshet ke kam ban Pynbeit halo ke chingi be ki kali ki ar Jylla haba Sñiawbhalang dhar ubari sumbut menteri rangba ke Jylla katba nagaliang ke Jylla Assam pat kala Bynshet Ïakren ke kam hu Atul Bora ubari menteri ke sarkar Jylla Assam.
What happened yesterday should not have happened. Nobody should have to witness what happened yesterday. But we want to assure them that we are committed to keeping the city safe and secure. We are committed for safety of each and every resident, irrespective of whether they are a tribal, non-tribal, they are Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, or they are here for livelihood or they are here for any other work. The point is that Shillong is a beautiful city and its status as one of the most upcoming tourist destinations of the world must be restored. As far as children are concerned, they are the future of the city and the state, and they must not grow in an environment of fear. So we from district administration assure them that we'll take every effort possible, and will not leave any stone unturned to make sure that next time when they step out of their house, they'll have any sort of fear. We have also noted with concern regarding the inconvenience caused to the commuters from both sides, for the ML vehicles as well as the AS registration vehicles. And there was protest and agitation and certain, let's say, restriction done by communities from both ends. And in this light, I believe that the government at the highest level in both these states, Honorable CM of Meghalaya and Honorable CM of Assam, have come together. They have appointed cabinet ministers, one cabinet minister from both states, who will be in constant touch with each other to coordinate the efforts to make sure that such kind of inconvenience to the commuters does not really take place again, and simultaneously to ensure the right of free movement is preserved. Yes, so from Meghalaya, it is Honorable Deputy CM Shri Sñiawbhalang sir, and from Assam, it is their Honorable Cabinet Minister Shri Atul Bora sir. So what Honorable Deputy Chief Minister emphasized is basically that the feeling of security and safety should be restored to the people of Shillong, and every effort must be made to ensure that no sporadic incident whatsoever takes place across the city. And simultaneously, he has instructed all of us to be on alert and make sure that basically city gets its own recovery time. Meghalaya and especially East Coast Hills, that Honorable High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the incident, because apparently yesterday amongst the 31 vehicles which were damaged, one vehicle belonged to the Joint Registrar of the Honorable High Court. So High Court has taken it very seriously. It has asked government to submit a report. And in that light also, I appeal to everyone, especially to members and the leadership of KSU, that the order of the administration, please do respect that. Please do not come out for procession and sit in protest tomorrow, because the High Court has also taken up this case very strongly.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.